I literally made a video just a couple of days ago talking about how GameStop was, and this was during market open, I believe last Friday. Today is Monday, June 10th, and right now we're down about 12% on the day for GameStop. Market just closed about an hour ago, and we're basically sitting at $24.83 a share. Now, if you actually remember last Friday, we closed at around 28.51. So we haven't dropped a significant portion of value, but we have nonetheless dropped some value, about $3 to be precise, with about 12% on the day. And a lot of people, especially people that I've seen on stock twits, people that I've seen on Twitter, people that basically anywhere that they inhabit where they talk about the stock market and more specifically meme stocks, are starting to lose confidence. And that's something that I want to talk about in today's video, and potentially about some things that could be affecting GameStop's price and how it could potentially bounce back sooner than you think. Make sure you watch to the very end of this video because I'll have a very special gift for you guys at the end of it that you guys are not going to want to miss. And before we dive into this whole analysis, make sure to join our free Discord with the first link down in the description. Once you guys get inside of the Discord, head over to the Join Us tab, click any of the links that are in here, and this is how you're going to get access to our daily buy and sell alerts. That's going to be it for the premium monthly membership or the yearly membership. We have budgets and different prices for any and all budgets. Again, you'll get access to our buy and sell alerts, mini course, all chat rooms, networking with top traders, and a host of other features. All you have to do is hit the upgrade button, log in with your Discord, and you'll be able to get into Discord and start obviously looking at all of our different channels and get access to our full membership inside of our Discord. That's going to be the first link down in the description. Make sure to join up soon because we will be raising the price. It's a great place to be. And if you guys don't like it, you can try it for a month, cancel anytime. No reason or no questions need to be asked. We'll help you guys out with that no matter what. But anyways, first link down in the description. Let's talk about GameStop though, and what's been going on. So GameStop dropped about 12% in overall value today. And again, this is also surmounting on the amount of value that we lost last Friday's session, where we went from, and as you can see from this candle, opened at 47 and then dropped a staggering down to $27 a share. Now, keeping all of this in mind, Roaring Kitty has not ceased to continue making his statements about GameStop, to continue to do these streams about GameStop, and he's continued to basically just make content in general about his position. Now, one of the main things that caused this drop in overall price today is a lot of it is being attributed to this, where Roaring Kitty apparently has made some jokes today on live stream about his position plunging. And some of these jokes specifically, we can read a little bit further and see that the meme stock influencer Keith Gill, better known as Roaring Kitty, took an online jab at himself on Monday over the plummeting value of GameStop holdings. He said, "You were a billionaire." And then a meme image he posted to Twitter read, basically showing an illustration of a man pointing intently to himself in a reflection of a mirror. What this is referencing is the fact that he actually was a billionaire based off of the overall value of his shares at a given point with GameStop, and he didn't sell. And because he didn't sell, that overall drop in price has obviously decreased the position value of his overall position quite a bit. And this is kind of the meme that they're referencing right here. If we actually head over to his Twitter just to see if there's any updates with that and making sure that we're not missing anything, we can scroll down a little bit here, and really there is nothing inherently really new about any of that. And funnily enough, if we actually head back here on June 10th, 2024, this was tweeted out. He actually deleted that tweet as it appears, or actually, sorry, he didn't delete that tweet. This was actually tweeted on, or he did delete that tweet rather. As you can see, the last tweet that he had was on May 12th. And basically we have no new updates as he posts these things and then inherently deletes them pretty much right after. Now, because of this, a lot of people are saying that because he's kind of tossing these cheap shots at the overall stock in general, it's not going to continue to rise in value. But here's the thing, because it seems that from the overall volume, and we can take a look here at these candles down here at the bottom in today's intraday trading session, the overall candles were relatively similar to the previous trading sessions that we had. We had a lot of selling volume on today's session, and the reason that was happening is, again, a few different reasons. The overall market was not performing as expected today. We can head over to S&P 500, and it was a relatively flat day with not too much as far as the overall volume was concerned. That can be a big contributor to that. We can also check other stocks that are in the same industry, like the other meme-related stocks, and most of these are following a very similar pattern, AMC being a great example. But more specifically, and probably the most important thing we want to look at, is Roaring Kitty himself and his overall statements like this on social media, because those are the main things that are driving the overall value of this given equity. And unless he continues to make more positive statements, which again, a lot of people have pointed directly that the SEC should get involved, because he is some people say he's driving the stock, some people say he's not. This is still somewhat affecting it in some type of way. Now, keeping all this in mind, just to wrap all this up, again, remember, he's still holding his full position. He has not sold any of his calls. He is still holding his position in full, which could mean a few different things. But what this mostly means right now for the GME apes and the people out there who are holders of GME is that in the meantime, this stock is going to continue to either stabilize or trade in some kind of a consolidation pattern. I think that we could potentially see a pretty significant rise in overall value in the near future if GME does get a little bit more backing by Roaring Kitty, and if we see another breakout rally like we saw just a day or two ago, and obviously if more news comes out as well. But in the meantime, this is what we're going to be trading at. It's probably going to be a consolidation pattern until we get more volume in there. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Also, make sure to join our free Discord with the first link down in the description. Again, super easy. It's an amazing group of people who are all on the same path, learning how to trade stocks profitably. Also in the gains chat, check out some of the overall options. We just sent out an alert the other day that was 150% gainer, and a host of other people are making tons and tons of money inside of their own trades with us as well. If you guys want to join, that's first link down in the description. Hit this link, get signed up before the price goes up in the future, and I can't wait to see you guys in there. Other than that though, that's all I have for you guys. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.